Alright guys, thanks for tuning in to another episode. Now this here I wanted to show y'all on my radiator hose. This is the one that came with this engine that I found on Craigslist, but you can see how it rides here across the alternator. And if I didn't have this little piece here to jack it up, it would eat into it. So I finally found the one that would correctly go on here. As you can see the number here. That looks like Gates 21706 in case y'all are wondering. As you can see, she'll go like that and then straight more over that away. So that'll get me away from the whole alternator area. Be much better, don't have to worry about me rupturing that thing. That alternator spinning like a mad dog. So let me change this bad boy out right here. This will just be a short little video on that. Now also I wanted to show y'all, I picked this bad boy up on Craigslist for 10 bucks. It's a new gauge surround. It has all these clip fasteners, which on the one that's in there now, I'm missing a bunch of these. So when I'm going down the road, this thing's just coming loose. As you can see here, this thing is pretty mint. The only thing is they added some stuff here. So other than that, it looks really good. So yeah, I'll take this here and rough all that up and get it painted black. I'm thinking about going ahead, which it's kind of cold right now to do any sort of painting, so we might wait on this for a bit. But I really want to do this with gloss black. I wanted to start doing, let me show y'all, some of these interior pieces with the gloss, high gloss, like the door panels and that, with some real automotive gloss paint, and then clear it like 3 times so it'll really look good and last a long time. So yeah, as you can see here, see how this it just barely sits there. So yeah, the clips are busted. So anyway, that's where we're at. We'll get to the radiator hose and then stay tuned later on for a video for this here. Now that I finally got this garage cleaned up, I got space to do stuff. It's freaking epic. So thanks for tuning in. Thanks for watching. Let's get this radiator hose in. Oh, shit. I was wondering how much water would come out. So let's see how much water we lose by doing it real fast. Alright, so as you can see there, we didn't lose too much water. We did it quick like. As you can see, that is so much better here. Looks more like factory. I kind of tied it up to the support here and kind of put this to protect this from all wire rubbing on each other all the time. So there we have it. That's basically it for getting the correct radiator hose on there. So I will leave a link for this hose down below in case y'all have the same problem. Y'all can check it out. So thanks for tuning in. Thanks for subscribing. And until next time, what will we do? We will keep it simple. We will keep it sweet. Have a good week.